Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to temporarily deactivate Facebook account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. First of all, you go to Facebook app, tap on this. You can see that three dot icon right here. Tap on this icon. Scroll down here. Tap on setting and privacy. Next, tap on setting. You can see that Meta account center. Next, tap on password and security. Scroll down here. You can see that personal details. Tap on this. You can see that account ownership and control. Tap on this icon. And now you can see that deactivate or deletion. Tap on this icon. Next, tap on Facebook. Now tap on continue. Now your account is deactive. If we found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.